Question number 12. According to the third law of motion, when we push on an object, the object pushes back on us with equal and opposite force. If the object is a massive truck parked along the roadside, will probably not move. A student justifies this by answering that the two opposite and equal forces cancel each other. Comment on this logic and explain why the truck does not move. First of all, let us understand the situation. Truck is parked along a roadside. We are pushing it. It is not moving. Why? When this object will move. So the object will move only if whatever force we are giving, that should be more than its friction force. Because when we are moving any object, for example, this box, I am moving in this forward direction. My force should be such that it should overcome the friction force. So that is known as external unbalanced force. If my force will be less, then the friction force will be more and I will not be able to move this. But the moment when my force will be more than the friction force. Now what is a friction force? Friction force is applicable along the surface and in that too in opposite direction. That too in opposite direction. So my force should be more than the friction force. It has to be unbalanced. So force and friction force, when they are equal, you cannot see that any work is happening or we can move anything. That will not going to happen because both of this will be opposite in their direction. But when whatever force I am applying will be more than the friction force, this is known as external unbalanced force. So at that time I can move the box. I can move the box because my force has overcome the friction force. So in this situation only the box will move. Now imagine a situation of a truck which is parked at the roadside. So until and unless we are pushing it with a more force which will be overcome the friction force, that truck is not going to move from that side. So how we are going to frame our sentence? That the object will move only if the force applicable on it will be greater than its frictional force or friction force. Friction force. Now what is a friction force? So friction force will be same as the force applied and opposite in direction. Here you can also say that magnitude. The magnitude of the friction force will be same as the force applied and opposite in direction. Truck will move only if we apply force greater than the friction force. Our force should be greater than the friction force, then only any object will be able to move or any object will move because our force will overcome the friction force. Until and unless it is balancing the force and it is balancing the friction force, we cannot see any movement in that box or in that truck.